The ground improvement. FAW ground criteria states that the total dimensions of the field should be no less than 101 metres long by 65 metres wide, including a 1.5 metre runoff area on each side of the pitch. The oval is currently not rectangular in shape, and consequently there are areas in the corners of the fields that fall short of these dimensions. For the purpose of this video, we will refer to each side of the ground as north, south, east and west, based on the camera direction shown here, which remains the same throughout the footage. The new pitch dimension is indicated by the presence of the white spray. Beginning in the northwest corner of the ground, the pitch will meet the wall and continue all the way down the west side of the pitch with no changes whatsoever required to the existing layout. When the west side meets the southern corner, there is a small area highlighted here that is exactly 1 metre in length at its longest point, which will require grass to be laid to achieve the 101 metres down the east side. Continuing along the southern side of the ground, the white line depicts the length needed to achieve the 101 metres. As you can see, we have enough natural grass available to be able to achieve this without any disruption. As the southern corner meets the eastern side, this will also require a lining to ensure even measurements on all sides. As you can see from the photographs, it is only the 1.5 metre runoff area that we have insufficient playing surface for. We also need to keep in mind entry to the car park on this eastern side. Our proposal here is to finish the runoff area in heavy-duty artificial turf that allows for vehicles to travel over without degrading the surface. We have extensively researched this area and have several different options we have complete confidence in. The FAW approves such turf in their guidelines for runoff areas. The road to the car park would not be impacted by these changes. As we make our way up the eastern side of the field, the outer dimensions will run to the width of the first step of our new 198-seater grandstand, giving us the extra 1.5 metres required to achieve the 65 metres width. Finally, in the northeast corner of the field, we will once more align the dimensions such that the pitch is rectangular. From what we can gather through correspondence exchange, it is this area that has caused some concern for Rhondda and Taff County Borough Council and specifically the Highways Department. Please be assured that the extra 1.1 metres required in this corner will have no impact on the footpath and its access. In fact, just prior to this footage being taken, we as a committee spent a day clearing rubbish and overgrown brambles from the patch highlighted, so that you could get a clear view from the drone of what we are looking to achieve. I'm sure you'll agree from the photographs taken the proposed change is minor and we would not come near the existing footpath.